In this video episode, I will show you how to draw a butterfly from butterfly word. Guys, first you write a butterfly spelling as in the passion as I wrote. Now start doing the real shape. First you draw some straight and horizontal line and make center part of that butterfly, and then try to draw the right part of wing with joining small line and make the right part of wing in very easy way. Now guys, repeat the procedure on left side and try to draw small lines, and with joining them try to make as same to same left part of butterfly wing. Try to finish joining work of left part of wing. Guys, after completing the wing outline part, now try to draw some vertical and some horizontal lines and try to draw on right area of wing some design work by joining that lines. And now try to draw and repeat the exact symmetrical design with joining the vertical and horizontal lines on left part of wing on inner side. Now guys, try to draw tendrils or antenna of that butterfly. Now guys, by using camlin brush pen, try to fill some attractive and vibrant color theme in butterfly. So guys, I hope you like the efforts I made. So try to share the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.